plant with deep roots energy, backward flavor, and the theme. The cry is over. The cry is over. The cry is over. Right a deep pulse. Reggae song that speaks about rising from hardship, finding spiritual strength and knowing that suffering not lasts forever. Use patois slangs, Nyabinghi vibes and motivation and philosophy. The message should uplift the poor and oppressed, reminding them say, Jah wipe away the tears and a new dawn rise upon the nation. It needs to include the struggle done, the cry is over now. Just blessings coming after trial, freedom, resilience and redemption, wisdom from the elders and ghetto teachings. Babylon downfall, truths confirm, celebration of hope and a brighter tomorrow. Vibe and style, roots reggae, 70s, 80s inspiration, heavy bass line, skank guitar, spiritual chants and ital consciousness, a blend. Energy, patois flavor, and the team, the cry is over. Write a deep old school reggae song that speaks about rising from hardship, finding spiritual strength, and knowing that suffering not lasts forever. Use patois slangs, Nyabinghi vibes, and motivation and philosophy. The message should uplift the poor and oppressed, reminding them say, Jah wipe away the tears and a new dawn rise upon the nation. He teach to include the struggle done. The cry is over now. Just blessings coming after trials, freedom, resilience and